Ever wondered why your website isn't ranking as high as you'd like on Google, Bing, or Yahoo? You've got the keywords, the content, but something is missing. That missing piece, my friends, is SEO backlinks. And today we're going to delve into the world of these ranking boosters. SEO backlinks, in essence, are links from other websites that point to your site. Think of them as votes of confidence, telling search engines, hey, this site has valuable content. But not all backlinks are created equal. Quality matters more than quantity. A backlink from a reputable high-authority site is more valuable than several from low-quality sites. It's all about building a network of trust around your website. Now, you might be wondering, how do these backlinks work? Search engines like Google use complex algorithms to rank websites, and these algorithms consider backlinks as a key factor. When a high-quality site links to your website, search engines interpret this as a sign that your content is also high quality. The more quality backlinks you have, the higher your site is likely to rank. But how do you get these backlinks? One effective approach is through rich media citation SEO. This service creates a local video, syndicates it to targeted high-quality media sites, and builds citations and local backlinks all in one. This method is great for local sites, providing a vast array of opportunities for link building. And the best part? It's all done manually. Video syndication plays a crucial role here. The video content is shared across around 20 video sharing sites, taking advantage of the large portion of internet traffic that video content attracts. But it doesn't stop there. The voiceover and images used in the video are also syndicated, uploaded to around 30 different sites. What does this mean for you? It means an extra advantage in dominating your search engine rankings with an additional high-ranking listing on search engines. It also means having citations that few others have, giving you a competitive edge. When building backlinks, the traditional approach is to match and exceed your top competitors. This means matching the links they are building and outdoing them in other areas. Rich Media Citation SEO service does exactly this, creating a natural two-way conversation between you and your customers across 50 sites. Images and videos play a significant role in boosting your SEO. An optimized image can enhance your SEO, and video increases dwell time and user satisfaction. In the future, videos may even displace websites in the rankings, making them a vital element in your SEO strategy. To summarize, SEO backlinks are the secret sauce to boosting your website's ranking. They work by building a network of trust around your site, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable. Rich Media Citation SEO is an effective way to build these backlinks, using video and image syndication across multiple sites to give you a competitive advantage. Remember, in the world of SEO, it's not just about having the most backlinks, but the best backlinks. So, focus on quality, use rich media, and watch your website climb the search engine ranks.